Friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading. So today we are going to touch one more second most important option Greek. That is nothing but delta. You would have heard about it a lot of time, and I am going to explain in a most simplest manner. It might look even childish for some people, so kindly excuse me in case if you find it childish. But why I made it very childish is because people, those who are beginners into option, will really understand the concept of delta, because this is one among the key Greek which you need to learn. So two things which I primarily insist everyone to learn is theta. Second one is delta. So already I have made video on theta. In case if you have not yet watched it, you can just watch. And in that also I have given you very practical examples for you to understand. And in this video also I'll be giving you a very layman's, very childish kind of example so that it will remain in your mind for a longer time. Okay, so understand these two concepts and then you're almost ready to start doing trading in options. And when you watch all my regular tradings, live trades or videos and all those things, you'll be getting a better understanding of what are all these parameters. Okay, so stay tuned till end of the video. I would like to give you full information in whatever I know, and I'm not going to go into pure technical. I'll be keeping it very simple. What you have to know, that only I'll be teaching you. Okay friends, so stay tuned till end of the video. And people, those who are not yet subscribed to Upstock, it's a very good trading platform which I'm using. You would have seen all my live trades. They have extended their offer till 15th August. So in case if you have not yet opened a demat account, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any charges. And then they are also providing zero brokerage for 30 days and also two courses and also a premium membership in Stockage application. It's very good. So all these Greeks, option Greeks, if at all you want to know what are the values, all these things are available in the Stockage app. So you can make use of this app as well. Okay friends, so don't forget to join. The link is provided in the description of this video. You can just have a look. Okay, now coming to our topic. Now you will be wondering what is this. I have shown a racing track. This is basically a racing track. I actually had an image in my mind, but I just was trying to convert it and I felt this was the best image which I could make. Basically, I wanted to show you that this is a racing track and this is going to be the start line and this is going to be the finish line. So when you hear about a race, what comes to your mind? Okay, so I'm not talking about your financial race or your job race or anything. I told you I'm teaching you a child's example. So when you hear of a child's example, the first thing which comes to our mind is the race between the hare and the tortoise, nothing but the rabbit and the tortoise. I think everybody of you would have heard this story. Now, friends, what exactly is this race about? We all know that the rabbit runs faster than the tortoise. Okay, so it's very well. If at all you want to bet, you know that very well that rabbit will reach first here, and then the tortoise will reach second. It is very clear cut. Yes. Okay. Now I'll try to connect you with delta so that you will get a better understanding. Now for this story, this race, there is going to be a small twist. Now what's the twist? We are going to get few more guests for this race. Now let us see who are the other guests for this race. Perfect. So we have a snake who has joined us along with tortoise. Then we have rabbit. We also have a tiger and also we have an elephant. Now the race is among the 5 people. Now can you tell me who is going to reach first? Okay, so please don't think I'm doing very childish thing. It has got very importance with delta. Delta is almost something the same. Okay, so I'll just give you the definition, the technical definition. It is simplest word which I would like to say. Delta is the amount an option price is expected to move based on 1 rupee change in the underlying stock. Simple thing, if at all I want to tell you, let us take example of Nifty itself. Okay, so let us say for example Nifty as of now is around 11,000. Okay, so you know that around 11,000 is moving as of now. Okay, and I'll just mention the name as well. This is the strike price and this is the delta. Now imagine we are taking a option and these are all call options which we are taking. Okay, So you know above 11,000 will be 11,100, 11,200, 11,300, so on. 11,400 is all above. Uh, this is nothing but option chain. If you are not seen, I'll just show you that also. See, you come to NS India website, you will find this. Okay, so this is the option chain, and this side is the call, this side is the put. You can see around Nifty is around 11,000. So all this is 11,100, 11,200, 300, 400 is all on one side, and all 10,900, 10,800, 10,700 is all on the other side. Okay, so when it comes to a call, anything above 11,000 are all OTM, anything below 11,000 are all put in this particular condition. Okay, so you can see Nifty is around 11,000 now. So anything above 11,000 is all the strike prices are called as. So all these strike prices are called as OTM. Okay, same thing I'm just putting in Excel here. So all these are called as OTM. Now let us come to ITM, that is in the money. So this will be nothing but 10,900. I'm avoiding the 50s. Okay, so 10,800, 10,700, 10,600, 10,500. Now this column is going to be the delta. If at all you I'll just mention the values of deltas also. So generally at ATM the delta is going to be 0.5, and then for our example let us say this is 0.45, this is 0.4, this is 0.3. Mind you, these are not the exact value, just for our reference purpose I'm taking. If at all you want to see the exact values freely, you can just log into Upstock. They have the option chain, they have the deltas, vegas, everything is available. Option Greeks are available for free. In all my trading live videos also I had shown you how to access it. It's very simple. Okay, now when you come to in the money, we all know that the delta increases. Okay, 0.6 or 0.65 or 0.7 or 0.75. Now let's imagine this is a race which is starting here. Okay, so this is the start point and this is the finish point. Perfect. This is the start point and this is the finish point, just like the race which we had. Just understand this example. So in this previous example, you knew that the rabbit is going to reach faster than the tortoise, and in this case we don't know who's going to reach fast. Okay, so the tiger might be fast, or can't say elephant might reach her faster or rabbit might reach faster. Only if you do the race you'll know who's going to reach fast, but you know that tortoise is going to be the last. The same way, just imagine this is the starting point and this is the finish point. Now can you say in this which is going to reach faster? Okay, so it's very clear, the delta which is having the highest value will move much faster along with Nifty. Now as I told you, today present situation, Nifty is at 11,000. Today's date is okay, let us say today is around Nifty is around 11,100. Oh, sorry, we are taken at 11, we are taken Nifty as 11,000. And imagine by end of expiry, so that is nothing but the finish line. During expiry, the Nifty will close at around 12,000. Okay, so we imagine there are options here, there are many options here which will reach faster. In the sense, here what we're talking is which value will be more bigger. Okay, so the delta which is more will have more adjustment with Nifty. Say for example, if Nifty moves 100 points, then this 10,500 will move 75 points. Okay, and 600 will move 70 points. This 700 will move 65 points. This 10,800 will move 60 points. Hope you are getting idea what I am telling you. With 100-point movement, how much will the option move? That is basically nothing but the delta which you're talking about. Okay, so with 100-point movement, how much will the option move? Okay, I'm just seeing the explanation to you once again. It's the amount an option price is expected to move based on 1 rupee change in the underlying stock. So I am taking round figure 100 so that it will be easy for you. So if Nifty moves 100 points, this 10,500 option will move by 75 points. This 11,000 option will move by 50 points. And the least will be here. This 11,400 will only move by, let's say for example, this one, then it will move only 25 points. Okay. So if at all we are having a race, you can clearly bet that the delta which is having the highest value will reach first. Clear cut? That is why I was just trying to show you this example, which is going to reach faster. That is, in the race, who is having more potential to go faster. So in this, we are just comparing with Nifty. If Nifty moves 100 points, the delta which is having the highest value will move more faster. So now you might say, then how do we get this exact 100 value? For that, you have to come more deep inside ITM. So you come to 10,000 400, it will be 0.8. I'm just taking a wide example, friends. Don't think that it will be exact. So this is, let us say, 0.9. So when you come further, when you reach almost 10,000, this delta is almost going to be 1. So this means that this fellow is the fastest in this race. So if at all Nifty moves by 100 points, this option also is going to move by 100 points. So the delta is nothing but the how much the option will move with the movement in the price of the underlying stock, or in this case we have taken Nifty's example. Clear? Hope I'm not confusing you. If it is just confusing you, just try to watch the video once again. You'll get a clear understanding. Basically, you just have to understand one simple thing, is that if Nifty moves by 100 points, this will move by 55 points. This will move by 50 points. This will move by 45 points. If Nifty moves by 1 point, this will move only by 0.5. Sorry, this will move by 0.5. This will move by 0.6. This will move by 0.4. So it basically means this, all these are very, very slow, and as you go inside ITM, it is going to be very, very fast. So this is the reason, friends, most of the time you would have seen these option sellers, whenever they are selling options, they take OTM, so that if there is wild movement also, it won't have much impact with these kind of options. So these are all the OTM options. So if at all the bank Nifty or Nifty moves violently also, these options will not have big movements, they'll have only small movements. It's almost like a tortoise, but these are like rabbits. Okay. So if at all Nifty moves violently, these options will start moving violently, and then you can see that you'll get panicked and all this kind of thing. So this is how we use delta for our kind of strategies. So we will use this kind of option, we'll use options for adjusting, doing hedging and all those kind of thing. So when you're selecting the option strike price, we have to keep this delta in your mind. Okay. So in this NSA website, you can find that these are all the strike price. You can see the heading is strike price, and you can see all the prices here. These are 400, 300, 200, 67, 26. How do you decide which to buy? Ultimately, you know that anything market will move in particular direction. This is what you're guessing. But which strike to buy, which strike to not to buy, all those things you have to decide by two things. One is by the theta, another is by the delta. These are the major things. Then apart from that, there are many more things, but you don't have to break your head much on that. If you know these two things, then it is very, very sufficient for you to have a good option trade. Okay, friends, hope you understood. It was I had tried to keep it very, very simple, like a child's example. So kindly excuse me if you feel it very childish, but I will tell you, if at all you understand the concept, it will really, really help you in your options trade. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. These two were the basics which I had promised I'll be explaining to you. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also, in case you need any support, any WhatsApp, any file of mine, any backtested file of mine of my strategies, please do mention it, and you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. And also, don't forget to join the Upstock link which I have provided. You'll be getting discounts on my open trades as well as on trainings. Okay, friends. So once again, have a nice day. Thank you.